Hello friends, in this video we will learn to solve subarray with given sum. The task is given an unsorted array A of size n of non-negative integers. Find a continuous subarray which adds to a given number s. So input output I will explain with the example. These are the limits. T is the number of test cases, n is the number of elements, AI is the represents the elements, n elements. Those are the limits. And here is the example. Input. The 2 is the number of test cases. Every test case there are two lines. In the first line, first one is number of elements. Second one is sum s. That is we need to get that sum 12. In the next line, the n elements, 5 elements is there. Those are separated by spaces like this. Those are two test cases. That's why first test case, this is the second test case. Output 2, 4, 1, 5. How those are comes is, see, sum first 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. It is so more than 12. We need to remove this one. 1. Then what is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12. It is equal to 12. So the position of 2 is 2. The position of 7 is 4. So in the limit of in between of this, the sum is 12. So that's why this is the output 2, 4. This sum of elements from second position to fourth position is 12. That's why this is the output. To achieve this task, I have written a code. I will explain. Here is a code. For the test case, I am taking the t variable, taking the value of t. For all test cases, I am using a while loop, t minus minus. And every test case, the first line is n and s. I am taking the variables n and s, taking the values. The next line, n elements. For that, I am taking an array A of n, taking the values of all elements. Then I am using a function subarray sum, passing the parameters as address of array, number of elements n, and the sum s value. See this. The function is the subarray sum values. In this subarray sum initially 0. C is the starting position. Where is the subarray starts? C says. So I am starting from first place. If subarray sum plus A of I. See, take this example. First one. I will explain this code. So SAS plus AI. AI is I value 0. So we get the 1. 0 plus 1, 1. This is not this S. So S value is 12, is less than. So it is adds to SAS. Then SAS value is 1. SAS not equal to S, so it is not execute. Then comes I value increments. I value 1 now. SAS 1 plus 2 is less than or equal to 12. It is true. So it is 2 is added to SAS. Now this value is 3. Then once again I value increments. I value become 2. Now A of 2 is 3. SAS value is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is less than or equal to 12. So it is also added with SAS. SAS value will become 6 now. I value increment. I value is now 3. So SAS 6 plus A of 3, 7, 13. 13 is more than 12. So if loop not execute, comes to else. I am adding the value 7 to the SAS. Now what is this value? SAS value will become 13. And check it. While loop. SAS is more than yes? Yes. It is 12. It is 13. So we need to remove the initial one, C value. C is the 0, the first one. So C++. C is comes to the position of 1. And 1 is removed. Now SAS value is 12. This is not more than SAS. It is 12, it is 12. So it comes false. While loop comes out. Check it. SAS is 12, S is 12. So it prints the C plus 1. Nothing but C3 is the first position. So I am adding 1 to get the position. It is prints the 2. And I position is at the 3. So I am adding 1. I plus 1. 4. So 2 and 4 is our output. If such element is not, if subarray not exists, it prints the -1. See this expected out. This is expected output. Our output is same. Submitted. It is successfully submitted. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now. Hello friends. To see the more videos, click on subscribe. To get the notifications, click on bell icon.